Hi, my name is Juan Camilo Sierra, and I used FocusMe as a technology. FocusMe is basically a application that is a website blocker and helps you to avoid distractions and digital distractions. So it is based on the Pomodoro focus technique that helps you to organize your time and administer it. What is the purpose? This application is useful because you can create a plan that helps you to stop using some applications or some websites meanwhile you're working. So if you create a plan to avoid not using Facebook, YouTube, or WhatsApp at the same time that you are working, well, you will cut down those digital distractions, and that will increase your productivity because you will work. You won't go to another applications or websites. So, how to use it for this purpose? This is the application, FocusMe. These are some default examples of plans. So, you first have to add a plan. You give it a name. Let's say study partial or study final. You select if you want to block some sites or all of the websites. The same with the applications. It's a warning question. You decide your rule type. You just want to just block, or you give it a time limit or a launch limit. I just want to block applications and websites. So you continue. You select your schedule. I will use the weekly by a day. Let's say today or Saturday or both. I don't know what you want. From 4 to 6. You can select here the time. If sometimes at a day, whatever you want. Next. So that is I just created study final. I can start right now, but it will be inactive because today is not Saturday. But that is an example of how to create the plan. And it really doesn't let you to go to a website or to an application. Let's go back to the presentation. So, what is the science about it? Basically, if you really want to work, if you really want to get your objective done, you have to be a hard work man. You have to be a hard work woman. You have to give the best effort from yourself to get that objective that you have. So with these plans that I just mentioned, you can avoid those digital distractions, you can save time, you can keep focused, you can save your team focus because this is also used at organization and enterprises. You can boost your workplace because you try to help others and yourself to not distract from the real work. So you cut down the goofing and multitasking, such as working at the time and using another application or social media. Here are some statistics about a quest that the organization did to 1,000 users, the hours per day that they saved. This has more than 100,000 downloads, over 10,000 satisfied users, used by Forbes, the New York Times, etc. As for me, I use it for this week, as I said, for partial final exams, and I liked it. I will use it in the future. I will recommend it to other people because I really liked it. It kept me focused, and I stopped wasting time when I didn't want to waste time. So I like this application. Thanks.